If I say this is not a pencil but an eraser, will you believe me? But honestly, this is an eraser. Just like this one, in this video, I'll be showing you guys 3 amazing erasers and how I'm gonna use them to make this masterpiece. First of all, what is an eraser? If you ask that question from me, I would say eraser is eraser. But Google says something different. It says a tool made out of rubber to remove pencil or graphite marks from paper. Basically, we are using these two kind of erasers, right? But today I'm going to show some amazing erasers you might never heard of. And of course, I'm going to do a mind-blowing experiment on my precious art. Number 1. This guy looks like a pencil, but it basically is an eraser. Instead of pencil lead, they have used firm eraser, which is sharpeable. Mostly this guy can be used for detailed erasing and highlighting. This one is perfect for cleaning up small mistakes. Instead of mechanical erasers, some artists use this to create skin, hair, or fabric textures. Number 2. Kneadable eraser. You know this is clay, but do you know this guy? This is a kneadable eraser. You can mold this into any shape, just like clay. It often reminds me of bubble gum, but you can't blow bubble. Okay, now a kneadable eraser. It is a pliable putty-like artist tool. It is used to lighten or remove graphite, charcoal, and also pastel marks without leaving any debris. These erasers are self-cleaning by stretching and folding. They are durable, long-lasting, and perfect for blending. Most importantly, it absorbs graphite particles, and leaves no crumbs. Number 3. This is my secret eraser. As you are watching this video up to this point, I'm going to show you my secret magical eraser. Bread. You might think I'm mad, but no. I read this somewhere on the internet. It says before inventing the eraser, people have used bread to erase pencil marks. Is that true? I really want to check it out. Have you seen that? It's working. Okay, slightly it's working. If you are still watching this video, I'd love to show you my art. I used only eraser to sketch this one. For this art, it's a different attempt. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments.